Right. So, welcome to my channel Harin Studios. Let's understand the formation of rainbow. So, rainbow is the natural spectrum. Rainbow is the natural spectrum formed by the sunlight. When the sunlight is passes through the raindrops in the atmosphere, the rainbow is formed, which is the example for natural dispersion of light. So rainbow is formed. The rainbow is an arc of 7 colors visible in the sky, which is produced by the dispersion of sunlight by raindrops in the atmosphere. Raindrops in the atmosphere. So let's understand how the rainbow is formed. How the rainbow is formed in the atmosphere. So how the dispersion of light takes place? So let's consider a raindrop. So if the light is incident, the white light is incident or passes through the raindrop, so what will happen? One medium to another medium. So refraction takes place. So here the light is dispersed. Here the light is dispersed into 7 colors. So the red, orange, India, then yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Right? So here dispersion of light takes place. Here the dispersion of light takes place, and here actually we should deviate like this. We should come out instead of coming to the outside due to the total internal reflection. Due to the total internal reflection of light. So here total internal reflection of light takes place. Total internal reflection. So what is total internal reflection? If the incident angle is more than the critical angle, instead of refracted into the medium, it reflected to the same medium. Same medium. Reflect into the same medium. Then so natural spectrum. Rainbow. So 7 splits into 7 various colors. So here total internal reflection. raindrop or each water drop acts as a prism. Acts as a prism. So in this way, the rainbow is formed in the natural, in the nature, in the nature. So the rainbow is in the atmosphere acts like a many small prisms. The raindrops in the atmosphere acts as a many small prisms. As white light enters and leaves from the prism, the white light is split into various colors. Right? So the formation of 7 colored rainbow in the sky shows that the white sunlight consists of a mixture of 7 colored light. 7 colored light. So we can also see a rainbow on a sunny day if we look to a spray of water from a fountain. Right? So let's understand. So this is about the formation of rainbow. Actually, the shape of rainbow is not two-dimensional arc. It is three-dimensional. It is three-dimensional cone. It is three-dimensional cone. So it appears like this. Actually, the shape is here is the observer. Here is the observer. So these two are represents the red and the violet. So one is the red, the upper one is the red, and the second one is the violet. This is the violet and this is also violet. In between some other colors also. When we draw, then you observe that the complete picture of rainbow. Observe the complete picture of rainbow. So red after orange, red after orange, orange, orange after yellow, yellow, yellow. Then after green, green here we can draw, green color we can draw. Then blue, 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 and here we can draw blue. Then indigo, some other color we are taking. So finally orange. So this is the actual shape of this three-dimensional cone. Right? So if we are able to see the complete picture of rainbow, this depends on the angle between the observer and the rainbow. Angle between the observer and the rainbow. So the color violet is seen when the angle between the sun beam and light sent back by the drop is 40. If you look at an angle between 40 and 42 degree, 40 and 42 degree, then we are observe the remaining colors of rainbow. So this is the light entering and this is the light coming out. So in between the light entering and the light coming out is the angle between the light entering, the light coming between 40 and 42 degree. 40 and 42 degree. Then we are able to see the complete 7 color bands of rainbow. So if the angle between the light entering and the light coming out, the violet is 40 degree, and between the red is 42 42 degree. Is 42 degree. Right? So when we observe in between 40 and 42 degree, then we are able to see the remaining colors in the rainbow. That depends on the angle between the observer and the rainbow. Means when we look in between 40 and 40 degree, then we are able to see the remaining colors in the rainbow. So mostly we observe that maximum we are able to see 4 or 5 colors among these 7 colors. So it depends on the position. It depends on the position of the observer. Why does the light dispersed by the raindrops appear as a bow? Appear as a bow. It appears as a bow like because let us understand. So we need a little geometric reasoning. First of all, a rainbow is not the flat two-dimensional arc as it is appears to us. The rainbow you see actually are the three-dimensional cone with the tip at your eye. The tip at your eye. All the drops that disperse the light towards you lie in the shape of cone. So many water drops are there in the atmosphere. Each water drop acts as a prism. Each water drop liberates or disperses the white light into 7 colors. But depending upon their wavelength, depending upon the angle, depending upon the position, so all the colors are mixed and we are able to see all the colors from one water drop we are able to see one color, from the other water drop we are able to see the other color. In this way we are able to see. So a cone of different layers, we are able to see different colors are actually not coming from a single drop. So they are the different colors obtained from the different raindrops. So red. So the drop that disperse red color to your eye are the outermost layer of the cone. Similarly, the drop that disperse orange color to your eye are the another layer of cone on the layer. So red color. So in this way, the cone responsible for yellow lies beneath orange and so on. So we are able to see the red color is the actually the outer layer of cone which is formed by a one. Then if you see the orange, this is the another one. Then we see the yellow, this is the another one. Then this is similarly in this way we are able to see different colors. We are able to see different colors. Right. So each drop disperses a full spectrum of colors. Every raindrop disperses the full color of spectrum. An observer is in a position to see only a single color from any drop depending upon its position. So this is the rainbow or the spectrum of 7 colors formed by the single drop of rainwater or single drop of rain or water drop. Similarly, if we assuming the one more raindrop, the one more raindrop also forms a spectrum. The third one also forms a spectrum. But we cannot, then what the rainbow colors we are observing in the sky is the rainbow which is able to see. The colors which are able to see in the sky they are actually formed by the different water drops. As per the position of the person, we are able to see only one color. If we observe 7 colors in the sky, actually they are obtained from 7 different water drops. Because of that depends on the wavelength of the color. To see the full rainbow or to see the 7 colors completely, so this depends on the angle and depends on the position of the person. Position of the person. So finally, rainbow is the natural spectrum happened because of the dispersion of white light by water drops in the atmosphere. Water drops in the atmosphere. Right? So this is about the formation of rainbow. So the sunlight, the white light is incident, then dispersion takes place, and the total internal reflection takes place. Will again reflect to the atmosphere. Instead of directly coming out from the reactor. So due to the angles, so due to some critical angles, so instead of reflection, first they involve in the total internal reflection. From the total internal reflection to again the reflected to the atmosphere. So the shape of the rainbow is not actually two-dimensional cone. So it is a three-dimensional cone. Depending upon the position of the person, we are able to see different colors. So this is about the formation of rainbow. So I hope understood the formation of rainbow. So thank you.